Hello everyone, and thank you for using Danomics. In this video, I'm going to briefly demonstrate how you can export your petrophysical results. Let's get started. At this point, you should have already done your interpretation. So you've created your petrophysical interpretation, set your key well, and you've gone through and you've performed the interpretation across a number of interpretation modules. If you've not yet done that or don't know how to do it, please review some of the earlier videos in our help series. Okay, so to export your interpretation, it's a fairly easy process. You make sure you have your petrophysical interpretation open, and you say File, Download LAS, and this allows you to download the curves that we've calculated. You can choose whether or not you want to include the imported curves here, and what to do when all the values in a curve are null. And then you can choose the properties that you want to export. If you want to export the minerals from the min solver, you can click min solver minerals and click OK. When you do this, it'll open the jobs menu and the export will begin to run. To download a zone by zone summary of all your key properties. So for things such as your average gamma ray, neutron, or resistivity, or your hydrocarbon pore volume or oil in place on a zone by zone basis. So really all of your summary properties, you just say File, Download CPI Summary, and hit OK. Once again, this will bring open the jobs menu, and it will tell you that it's initializing and then running, and then when it's complete. This will take around a minute to run. I've already ran an example of this, and when you do that, you'll have a little sheet of paper icon that you can click, and what it'll do, it'll tell you a summary of all the properties that were calculated, and the API numbers that it was ran on, and how long it took for that job to run. So if there were any errors in here, each error would be listed underneath the API in which the error was encountered. And when it finishes running, it will export a zip folder of all of the LAS files if you're downloading LAS, or it'll give you an Excel spreadsheet if you are downloading the CPI summary. Okay, if you have any questions about how to export your petrophysical interpretations from Danomics, please feel free to contact us at support@danomics.com. Thank you.